the conductance of volume of solution containing 1 gram molecular weight of the electrolyte placed between two parallel electrodes separated by unit length of 1 meter or 1 centimeter. We call it as molar conductance. So what I have told you here we will be taking conductivity of solutions of different electrolytes in the same solvent and a given temperature. So there will be change here. The conductivity of solution of different electrolytes we are taking here. Different electrolytes means what? NaCl, KCl, like that electrolytes if we are taking in the same solvent. Same solvent means what? In the water we are taking at a given temperature, for example 298. So there will be some change in the size of the ion and also in which the ions will be changing. So means what here? The concentration of ions, or whenever the ions are moving, so there will be a under the potential difference. So means what? To define a molar conductance which is denoted by delta M. So here delta M means what? Molar conductance. Lambda M, sorry, not delta M, lambda M means what? Molar conductance means the conductance of volume of the solution here. The conductance of volume of the solution means of all ion produced by only one electrolyte in volume of the solution containing 1 gram molecular weight of the electrolyte. So here only whatever ions it is producing means what here? How much? Only 1 gram molecular weight of the electrolyte producing different types of ions in which type of solution? Between two parallel electrodes separated by unit length. Or so if you have taken this one, so these two electrodes, platinum electrodes, if you have observed clearly definition, the conductance of volume of the solution. So volume of the solution means what here? I have told you it is equal 1 m and area of cross section is equal to the conductivity of solution. Means what here? Length and area of cross section is equal of only molecular weight we are calculating of the same electrolyte. So two different electrodes we are placing here. So whenever electrodes are placing, automatically the volume of the solution we can see. So that's why we have written lambda m is equals to kV. kV is nothing but specific conductance. V is volume of the solution. So the conductance of volume of solution containing 1 gram molecular weight of the electrolyte placed between two parallel electrodes which is separated by a unit length of 1 meter or 1 centimeter. We call it as what here? Molar conductance, where K is specific conductance, and V is equals to volume of solution. Volume of solution containing 1 mole of electrolyte. So by this lambda can be written as what here? K by C, concentration here. Okay, so automatically what happens? Lambda m is equals to, we can write it as K into 1000 by molarity. Concentration can be calculated in molars. So here where m indicates what here? Molarity. So automatically the units will be what here? Limits of lambda m is equals to ohm inverse, centimeter square, mole inverse. Why? Because if you have observed this calculation, generally For K, the resistance, resistance, no, specific resistance means specific conductance. Reciprocal of the resistance we call it as conductance. So when we are writing K, automatically what happens, you will be getting Ohm inverse. So here centimeter square and also mole inverse is the units of the molar conductance. In the same way we can determine equivalent conductance also. The equivalent conductance definition is same. So here the conductance of volume of solution containing 1 gram equivalent weight of the electrolyte. So here in place of molecular weight we should have to write equivalent weight. So this is about the measurement of conductivity of ionic solutions. Okay, thank you.